Oh, look at the cup! That's so sweet. Little things make me happy. Morning guys, it's a gloomy day in MAKARSKA today. It's kind of unexpected because yesterday was so hot and lovely, and today we woke up and it's cloudy, windy. Might be good for sailing though, which is quite exciting because it is a bit windy. But yeah, it's a bit gloomy. It's sort of the first day of our holiday that's been like this. So far we've been having sunshine and beautiful sun and beautiful warm weather all throughout our charter. We are just filling up with water right now. Don't know if you can tell. So if you can hear the noise, that's why it has this like noise coming through. But anyways, I'm kind of having a look out to see if we are not overflowing. But yeah, the plan for today is to go to a place called SPLITSKA. I don't actually know anything about it. My dad decided today's destination. So yeah, we are going to SPLITSKA on BRAC Island today. And yeah, it's so windy. We are off for a quick coffee before setting off. Oh, I hope it clears up a bit. Look, you can't even see the mountains properly. In a way, this makes me feel really grateful that we got this beautiful weather yesterday, because we managed to see this place in its full beauty. Whereas right now, it's too like foggy and cloudy. It's still beautiful though, don't get me wrong, but it makes me really grateful for the weather that we got yesterday. Oh guys, they have this cocktail card, and last night my dad really... Oh, cocktails 30 kunas, oh no! My dad really wanted to go out last night, but I was dead tired. And it's so crazy because when I was at uni I used to go out like all the time, 5 days a week or something crazy like that, and now I just can't handle even going out for drinks for the evening. I literally go to bed so early these days, it's crazy. But I really fancy a cocktail now. Just got this Nescafe vanilla coffee type of a thing. I don't actually know what it is. What's Nescafe vanilla? It's like a flavored coffee, right? Oh, look at the cup. That's so sweet. A little smile. Look at the cup. Little things make me happy. Try this? No? So nice. This is my third coffee of the day. There's something seriously wrong with me. It's my third coffee today. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. And I never usually drink coffee as well. Just crazy. And my hands always start shaking when I drink coffee. But yeah, I would love a cocktail, but I can't have cocktails because we are off to our next destination. I'm not going to go and start sailing and be on the helm after a cocktail. I don't think that's very sensible. We have great wind and currently on the broad reach, as you can see. We only put the mainsail out. Oh, nice weather. Nice weather. We are on a great course as well towards our destination. Pretty much exactly how we wanted. And I was sailing for a bit, but now I'm here at the helm having a look out, put the autopilot on. Oh, we're going 11.2, 11.4. I don't know if you can see. It's annoying that you can't. 11.5. Lovely speed. 11.6. 11.7. place looks lovely. Oh, look, they have the comfy chairs. Where? Here.
It's up to you.
Let's go here. Cocktails. Got a nice choice, nice selection. These are actually quite cheap in comparison to the other places. 45 kronas for a cocktail is cheap for what we've been paying so far. We decided to go for an Irish coffee. I thought I would get a cocktail, but I think I've got a problem and I have like 4 coffees a day. Don't know what's wrong with me. I used to never drink coffee before. Like 2 months ago I would never ever touch coffee. Now I have like 4 strong coffees a day. But this looks delicious. It's a lot stronger than I expected. I feel like it's stronger than cocktails, or at least taste it. You can really feel it like going down your throat, but it's really nice. And the whipped cream, I love whipped cream. Updates on the power. We won't be able to get it. The lady said it's unfortunately not working. So yeah, we won't have power tonight. At least this place is free. Palm trees and the church. We're going to Studenac. You know, in that place where we got the drinks, they don't serve any food, not even anything small, so we actually have to eat on the boat, because we asked what about any restaurants nearby, and there are actually non-restaurants here. There's one restaurant, but it only opens on the weekends and it's Wednesday today, so we'll have to eat on the boat tonight. So we are just going to have a look in the supermarket, see what they've got, and yeah. We've just done our shopping. I think we are just going to be staying on the boat for the rest of the night. To be fair, I kind of feel like going out tonight, but there's nowhere really to go to other than the bar that we went to before, you know, the bar where I got the Irish coffee. So yeah, I think we might be just staying on the boat for the rest of the night. I'm not sure, but if that's the case, then I'll see you tomorrow for another Sailing Croatia vlog. I love you guys and have a good night. Tomorrow we are going on an adventure to find the historical relief of Hercules at an ancient village of SPLITSKA, before sailing to an island that we haven't been to before, Salta. Subscribe and don't miss out.